Romania. A whole new definition of beauty. Ready to take a step back and relax? Then say yes to Romania. This country embraces you with heart-stirring waves of beauty. From mountainside sceneries in harmony with peace, to the intoxicating liveliness of its cities. Romania is a country of incredible contrast. Your holiday can be anything you want, but whatever it is sure to be unforgettable. For instance, you can visit Transylvania, the land that gave us Dracula. Or you could pay a visit to the Danube, Europe's second longest river. You can even help yourself to the country's delicious cuisine. All in all, it is sure to be an experience to remember. Love travel-related videos? Please subscribe to our channel.